morning, everyone. We are in New York City, and I'm currently in the new sleep shirt that I got for Forever 21 yesterday. So anyway, I'm gonna get my makeup and hair done, and we're gonna go. Okay, I'm all bundled up. I'm ready to go. It's like 26 degrees outside. That's crazy. I'm wearing my new choker also that I got yesterday from Forever 21. Very excited. So we're going to go downstairs and get some coffee from Starbucks, and we're just going to walk. I think we're gonna do some shopping today and go to Central Park and all that good stuff. So yeah, it'll be a very exciting vlog today. And I'm wearing my hat again because this thing's actually really warm and it's cute. So we're gonna go with it. But yeah, so I'm all ready. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing over here. And then this striped shirt from Forever 21, this scarf that I got from Target. Hello, Dad. And then my black jeans, and then, oh, okay, my black jeans, and then a pair of little black booties, which are super cute. And my big green jacket that I've been wearing every single day. And that is my outfit. Oh. Look at how pretty. I can't get over this view. It is awesome. Ooh. I was because she sounded so dumb.
She was beating me up, literally.
I can't. Can I get a venti iced green tea latte with 3 pumps of vanilla and the classic? Here. Ooh, got the starbs. An iced green tea latte. It is freezing. Central Park.
Get down and like run just right here.
We are in Central Park. Very beautiful here. Central Park. It is gorgeous. So beautiful. New York vibes are awesome. So pretty. We're walking to the restaurant, Rosa Mexicano, and I'm very excited because it's supposed to be really, really good. So yeah, that's what we're doing, but we just decided to take a stroll through Central Park because it is beautiful. Like, look at this. Gorgeous. New York. Mom, do you love New York? I love New York too. It's like shining through and it feels really good. Spotted the restaurant. Woo. Ew, trash. I don't know what I'm gonna get.
We're gonna do the guacamole first.
Which one?
That looks so good.
I really don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I'm so excited to eat this. This looks so good. So we got some guac and chips. It's gonna be great. I just tried that green stuff and it was really spicy. Do you want to go in H&M? Wow, nice bum. Oh, this looks cute. But I literally have that hat. Or I found a really cute pair of joggers. So excited. Isn't this cute? And look at the back of it. It's got like stripes. We're back in Forever 21 again. There's just so much to look at. This is so cute. The floors are pretty. Cutest store in the world. Those are so cool. I love that football. Going back down. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, this thing's creepy.
Step forward. Thank you.
You're welcome. So it's a little bit later now. I put on my new shirt because it's really cute. And we are headed to get some dessert because there's this viewing deck and it's like revolves around the whole city or something like that. So it's really cool. I brought my camera so I can take some pictures and I'm really excited. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god. This goes so far. My ears are literally about to pop. We're still going. 40, 41. Oh my god.
38.
I don't feel very
Yeah, think about going down.
How are you? Anyone for a drink? Just join us in the lounge here down to the left.
this view. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna get. This all looks so good. Look at how fancy these desserts are. Oh my gosh. I want to try that too. Okay guys, it's kind of dark, but I got some Voss water, which you can't see. And then I've got a bunch of desserts, and I'm so excited. Like, I can't even contain my excitement right now. Are you excited, Dad? It's so dark in here. Hey guys, so it is currently 2 in the morning, I think. So we got back from the restaurant, and sorry I'm talking really quiet, it's because everyone is sleeping right now and I don't want to wake anyone up. But after we got back from that really nice restaurant, which was at the very top of our hotel, which was amazing. We got to it was like a circular restaurant, so we got to slowly move around the whole thing, and we saw the whole city, and we got really good dessert and everything, and it was just so much fun, and I was so happy we got the best view ever. It was just awesome. But yeah, so after that we came back to the hotel, and I changed into what I'm wearing right now, and I just edited the video or the vlog from yesterday, and yeah, and now I am about to hop in the shower and go to bed because I'm so exhausted. And tomorrow is our last day in New York, and then we head back home, which is so sad. But yeah, I had so much fun today, and I love New York City. It's just so fun. So yeah, and I think I'm getting sick because I sound really gross right now. But yeah, I think I'm probably gonna wear this shirt tomorrow because I really like it a lot. I got this today shopping, and I only wore it to that dinner thing, so I think I'm gonna wear this tomorrow because it's really comfortable and very cute. But yeah, so anyway, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe down below for more vlogs, and also make sure to give it a thumbs up if you stayed till the very end of the video. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another New York vlog. And yeah, okay, I love you guys.